Here at Nike, we like to ask fundamental questions. What is a shoe? Why do we need shoes? How did man survive for thousands of years without shoes? Actually, why do we need shoes? And after decades of creating the most innovative, revolutionary sneakers, we're profoundly excited to announce that we'll be working with Anime to create the Future Plus sneakers, the next step in the future of our brand. Nice pun, man. Next step. Like a footstep. Clever. But I think I'll take it from here. Guys, this is the Future Plus sneaker. A sneaker that, as far as human history is concerned, is really the first sneaker ever made. Genesis. Everything until now, as you'll come to see, has been a slightly pathetic, forgetful embarrassment. And Nike, some company that makes shoes, hit me up and made me a small offer, which out of the pity and good grace of my heart, I lowered myself to accept. Sometimes you need to be a bit humble, and help the struggling people out. Not so much that they escape their struggles, for life will always be a struggle, but just enough to feel good about yourself. That's what really matters. That's the real opportunity. And together we can make this world a slightly better place. So without further ado, here is the Future Plus sneaker. Now, not only is this sneaker light, made with innovative materials, graphene, Wi-Fi, more efficient, you know the usual pitch, but there is a lot more to it than that. And let's begin inside, because have you ever wondered why we all have back problems? Sore feet, posture problems, cankles, fragile ankles, and terrible balance when our ancestors, who wore no shoes, never had any problems? Well, the reason is that we all walk on flat floors exclusively. Everything we stand on has been made artificially flat, and could there be anything more unnatural? We simply aren't designed for that. We're meant to walk on dirt trails and complex surfaces. So the Future Plus sneakers incorporate a state-of-the-art variable surface insole, which makes every step subtly unique. In-house, we actually call this variation the in-forest, because the insoles simulate a forest path with the same degree of random bumps and divots, which activate all those muscles and all those neurons which have been atrophying for years and ruining your health. It's seriously life-changing and so much better for you. Moving on. For many of us, walking is our way of getting to work. Our shoes are our ride, and we're excited to announce that we'll be partnering with Uber to create a never-before-seen ride-sharing ecosystem which will allow users to share their ride, their shoes, with strangers. So next time you're chilling at home, you can make your shoes available for sharing. Someone will stop by, pick them up, and drop them off later when they've finished their trip. And soon you won't even own shoes. You'll just call a ride, coming to a city near you. These days, with terrorists, rioters, and the state of public restrooms, dangerous gases and VOCs are drowning us and giving us cancer with each breath. So we here at Nike wanted to do something about that. So this pair of sneakers will be the first of a brand new collection incorporating our patented gas mask architecture. So if you look under the shoe, you can see these vents. Now these are an active carbon cross HEPA filter, allowing you to take off the shoe, tie the shoelaces around your head, and just like that, you have a gas mask and a way to escape the disgusting odors of man. Nike just do it. Another thing Nikes are known for are their Air Max unit, the small integrated compartment filled with air. And as we all know, Nikes are manufactured in sweatshops. And the thing about sweat is that it evaporates into the air. So the labor is sweat. Their sweat evaporates and becomes airborne, and we then trap that sweat-laden air into the soles of your new sneakers. And to pay respect to our young laborers, we've added the names of the people whose sweat is trapped in your sneakers on the sneakers. So you can think of them while you carry their DNA around with you. You can feel a connection with these individuals who sweated to make your sneakers. That's how passionate we are about breaking cultural and societal barriers and elevating the way we interact with each other, and paying respect to those who put the work in. It's the Nike way. And finally, the Future Pluses will also be available in a second colorway we call Gym Worn, which, just like ripped jeans, the shoes come factory weathered. So it looks like you've been to the gym, running marathons, winning at life, without having to put down that new series you're umbilically attached to.